classification of beverages. Beverages are divided into two main categories: alcoholic beverages and non-alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages obtained from the fermentation and the distillation process. So we may say fermented alcoholic beverages and distilled alcoholic beverages. The fermented beverages are cider, perry, mead, wine and beer. There are different types of beer like ale, lager, porter, pilsner and stout. Now there are four different types of wine: table wine, still wine or natural wine. Next category is aromatized wine, sparkling wine and fortified wine. Table, still or natural wine, basically three types: red, white and rosé. Aromatized wine, two types: vermouth and aperitifs. Sparkling wine, for example champagne, pink champagne, white sparkling and rosé sparkling or sparkling rosé. Next category is a fortified wine. Fortified wine, and the examples are port, sherry, Madeira, Marsala, Malanga and Tarragona. Port, there are 4 or 5 different types of port: ruby, tawny, crusted and white port. And then the sherry, there are different types of sherries: Oloroso, Manzanilla, Pol Cortado, Herraz Dulce, Fino. As discussed, there are 4 different types of wine. Similarly, wine can be classified according to place of origin, sweetness, taste, quality, vintage, vinification method and style. Now I would like to discuss about other distilled alcoholic beverages: spirit and liqueur. A spirit, for examples, tequila, gin, vodka, rum, whiskey, brandy and other spirit. Tequila, there are 5 different types of tequila: tequila Bianco, which is silver tequila; tequila Joven, which is gold tequila; reposado, which is aged tequila; anejo is extra aged tequila, and extra anejo is an ultra aged tequila. The next category is gin and vodka. Both can be flavored and non-flavored. So vodka and gin can be flavored and non-flavored. Now rum. There are 3 different types: white, golden and dark. And sometimes we also call this spiced rum. Next one is brandy. There are 3 different types of brandy: grapes brandy, which is we call cognac brandy; there is a fruit brandy, and there is a grappa brandy. Next, most important spirit I would like to discuss about whiskey. There are 5 different types of whiskeys: Irish, Scotch, American, Canadian and Japanese. Now Irish whiskey can be blended, single malt and grain whiskey. Similar, Scotch here, it can be blended, single malt and grain whiskey. But single malt Scotch whiskies, it can be from the Speyside, Highland, Islay, Island, Campbelltown and Lowland. American whiskies, basically it considered as bourbon, Ray and Tennessee whiskey. Japanese whiskey It can be blended, single malt, and grain whiskey. And next category is the Canadian whiskey. So Canadian whiskies, American, Scotch, Irish, and Japanese whiskey. These are the major whiskey categories. And the other spirits are aquavit, arak, snaps, sake, silvovits, and kirs. So these are the other categories of spirit, and there are many more. Now I would like to discuss about a liqueur. There is a chocolate or coffee based liqueur, cream based liqueur, fruit based liqueur, herbal, nut, honey, whiskey, and other liqueur. Now I would like to discuss about non-alcoholic beverages. There are three types of non-alcoholic beverages: stimulating, refreshing, and nourishing. Nourishing beverages are basically milk and the milk product. For example, hot chocolate, Horlicks, Bournvita, milk. These are the nourishing beverages. Refreshing beverages, it can be carbonated and non-carbonated. Also, mocktail, it can be carbonated as well as non-carbonated. So carbonated, we can divide into 4 different types of carbonated beverages like lemonade, orangeade, colas, and energy drink. And non-carbonated, this is I was talking about the carbonated one, and the non-carbonated can be squash, cordial, syrup, canned juice, fresh juice. It can be vegetable, fruit, or citrus juice. These are non-carbonated beverages. And the stimulating beverages or tea, coffee, these are the stimulating beverages. Thank you. Online admission and the classes are now on. For hotel and hospitality management courses, please contact Cosmopolis Institute of Management Studies Private Limited, 12A Sourindra Road, Behala, Kolkata 34. Please contact 84-200-29377 or 9123-726718. Please visit our website www.cimsmanagement.in for online admission and for the